The world of AI is constantly evolving, offering new and innovative ways to interact with technology. With so many options available, it can be hard to know where to start. Here are 10 mind-blowing AI websites you should try in 2024. Notion, AI productivity website. Notion is your go-to cloud-based productivity buddy packed with features to help you take notes, create to-dos, manage tasks, schedules, and projects effortlessly. What sets Notion apart is its cool AI-powered tricks. Thanks to artificial intelligence, it can help you summarize notes, enhance your writing, translate content, brainstorm ideas, and more, making it the next-gen Cloud Notes platform. Notion boasts a super flexible drag-and-drop editor, giving you the freedom to organize your stuff your way. It introduces powerful building blocks for visualizing, filtering, and sorting data exactly how you like it. The AI-powered tools kick in to amp up your productivity and efficiency, making your workflow smoother. Easily share pages, drop comments, and mention your teammates, ensuring everyone's on the same page. Whether you are on a web browser, desktop, or mobile device, Notion is your reliable companion across all platforms. If you're keen on boosting your productivity game, Notion is definitely worth a look. Photo Background Remover, AI Instant Image Background Removal website. Photo Background Remover is a cool website that uses AI to instantly remove backgrounds from your images yeah, that's quick. It's super easy. Just upload your photo and in a blink, you'll have a clean cutout with no background, no more manual hassle. The best part, it's not just quick, it also keeps your photo quality top-notch. You can even tweak the cutout or switch up the background if you want. Photo Background Remover isn't just about background removal, it's a powerhouse of other cool AI features too. You can enhance photo quality with AI Photo Enhancer, erase unwanted stuff with AI Photo Eraser, create custom backgrounds with AI Background Generator, make unique images with AI Art Generator, and upscale images without losing details with AI Image Upscaler. It's like a magic toolkit for your photos. Give it a try for free and make your images stand out. Jasper, AI writing website. Jasper is your go-to AI companion for effortlessly creating a variety of content. Whether you're tackling blog articles, social media posts, website content, or marketing copy, Jasper has you covered. It doesn't stop there, it's your perfect sidekick for creative writing too, handling poetry, stories, and lyrics with ease. Designed for everyone, Jasper boasts a user-friendly interface, making content creation a breeze. It's not just about simplicity, Jasper offers a toolkit of over 50 tools and templates to cater to all your writing needs. From following frameworks like PAS and IDA to crafting social media posts, product descriptions, and more, Jasper is a versatile writing assistant. Ideal for content writers, freelancers, small business owners, and marketers, Jasper ensures not just speed, but also high-quality output. Plus, with support for over 25 languages, it caters to a diverse range of users. Synthesia, AI video creation website. No more hours spent on complicated production or hefty expenses for professional teams. Synthesia, fueled by artificial intelligence, effortlessly transforms any text into a top-notch video within minutes. What's unique about Synthesia? It lets you craft interactive videos featuring virtual presenters that look and sound human-like. Take your pick from a library of AI-generated presenters, or even make one that mirrors yourself, complete with your own voice. This feature is perfect for crafting engaging explainer videos, training materials, and product demos. Using Synthesia is a breeze. Simply choose a template and an AI presenter, input your text, and watch the magic unfold. No need for complex steps, it's all straightforward. Beyond quick text-to-video conversion, Synthesia offers a range of templates, powerful video editing tools for real-time adjustments, and a variety of high-quality AI presenters and voiceovers to choose from. Plus, it speaks the language of creativity in over 120 languages. Jeez. Anyword, data-driven copywriting website. Anyword is a fantastic data-driven copywriting website armed with powerful AI. It's your go-to tool for effortlessly creating optimized marketing content for websites, social media ads, and emails with minimal input. Whether you're crafting content for landing pages, blog posts, or ads, Anyword has got your back. Just give it a URL or a brief summary, pick your preferred format, style, and tone, and watch Anyword generate customized copy tailored to your specific audience. You can even tweak the written content as needed. Anyword offers various paid plans, and the good news is that there is a 2-month free access period to get you started. Chroma, AI color combination generator. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect color combos for your projects, Chroma's got your back. This AI-powered website works by creating personalized color palettes based on your preferences. Simply pick 50 colors from a wide range of options, and Chroma will serve up different color combos using color theory tricks. But that's not all. Chroma offers a variety of templates like text posters, gradients, images, and palettes, so you can see how your chosen colors play out in different contexts. Want to test it with your own pictures? No problem! Chroma lets you upload your own images to see how the color combinations work. Whether you're deep into a design project or just need a burst of inspiration, Chroma's color palette generator is the one you've been waiting for. Beautiful.ai, AI presentation maker website. Beautiful.ai, the game changer in presentation making. All you have to do is type in your text and voila! Beautiful.ai crafts stunning presentations for you, taking the hassle out of manual editing and saving you time. What makes Beautiful.ai stand out? It's not just about speed, it's packed with smart AI features like automatic layout design, clever resizing, content suggestions, and even data analytics. If you are on the lookout for a quick and efficient AI-powered solution to whip up fantastic presentations, Beautiful.ai is your go-to tool. You'll find hundreds of top-notch presentation templates at your fingertips. Beautiful.ai has you covered with millions of stock photos, icons, and videos ready to enhance your presentation instantly. Worried about fitting everything in? No problem! Beautiful.ai's Smart Resize feature adapts your text and images seamlessly. What's more, Beautiful.ai promotes collaboration and integrates smoothly with platforms like Slack, Monday.com, Dropbox, and PowerPoint. Experience the ease and brilliance of creating presentations with Beautiful.ai. Soundraw, AI music generation website. Soundraw is the ultimate online tool for creating music with the magic touch of AI. Soundraw is designed for everyone, from beginners to pros. Just pick the mood, genre, and length you want for your music, and let Soundraw do the rest. It automatically cooks up original customizable audios tailored to your preferences so you get the perfect soundtrack without any hassle. Why choose Soundraw? It's got a user-friendly interface, making the whole process a walk in the park. With AI audio composition, you're guaranteed high-quality audio output that fits your project like a glove. Avatar.ai, AI website for creating avatars for social media. Avatar.ai is your go-to AI tool for spicing up your photos in unique and awesome ways. It's super simple. Just upload your photo and watch as Avatar.ai works automatically to create high-quality, lifelike avatars that capture your essence in various cool styles and scenarios. Transform yourself, your pals, and even your furry friend into desert punk warriors, Halloween zombies, Instagram models, video game heroes, or fashion icons. The possibilities are endless. The avatars generated by Avatar.ai are so realistic that you'll be amazed at the creative transformations. Avatar.ai is easy to use, with over 100 different styles to explore and transform into. Let's Enhance, AI image enhancement website. With Let's Enhance, you can transform your pictures in just one click, making them sharper and clearer in a snap. But that's not all. Let's Enhance lets you take things up a notch. Ever wished your photos had a higher resolution? With this AI tool, you can upscale and enlarge your pictures up to 16 times without losing quality. It's a game changer for photographers, designers, and anyone in need of top-notch images for their projects. Let's Enhance comes with an auto-enhance feature that uses advanced AI technology to spice up your photos in seconds. Need to process a bunch of images at once? No worries. There's a batch image processing feature to save you time. Plus, for those who want to dive into the techie side, Let's Enhance offers API access. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment down below telling me which of these websites blew your mind the most.